બાળકો, તમારે વાર્તા સાંભળવી છે ને? આઈ નો યુ ઓલ આર ઇન્ટરેસ્ટેડ ટુ લિસન ધીસ સ્ટોરી. ઓકે, then let's start this story.
The great ruler of India, Akbar, had 9 James in his court. The 9 James were the greatest in their own fields. One of them was Tansen, a great musician. He played different types of musical notes for the king. He played ragas like Malkons, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Tansen made some innovations in Malhar Rag and created Mia Malhar Rag. One evening, the king was in his court. Ustadji, play something new on your tanpura and make us happy. Tansen agreed. He took his tanpura. He started the Rag Darbari. People forgot everything around them. After some time, the king looked up, his eyes bright with praise. Wonderful! Superb! I listen to you every day, but this was the best. Tansen bowed before the king. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world.
Well, my lord, there is someone who sings better than I.
Really? Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? Tansen shook his head.
I am afraid he will not come to the court.
What? Even if he hears that the king himself requests him?
No, not even then.
Akbar was very eager to meet him. Very well, Ustadji. With a smile, he looked into Tansen's eyes. If he doesn't come here, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him?
Yes, but you do not go there as the king.
I shall go as a humble lover of music. Sant Haridas was the man. Tansen told Akbar about him. He was Tansen's guru. He lived a very simple life. He was devoted to music and to Lord Krishna. He lived in Vrindavan, in a hut on the bank of river Yamuna. His
disciples
were Baiju Bawra and Tansen. When Tansen and the king reached the place, Sant Haridas was busy with his daily routine. He greeted both. When they requested him to sing,
I am not a great musician. I sing as you sing. I left singing many days ago, so I can't sing properly.
Tansen, his favorite
disciple
could not persuade him to change his mind. However, Tansen knew how to get round him. He offered to sing before his guru. Then, as Tansen sang, he made some mistake again and again.
That's not right, not Tansen. What has happened to you?
Tansen pretended not to understand. He made the same mistake again. Sant Haridas was angry. He took the tanpura from Tansen's hand. He sang the Rag Darbari in the right way. He went on to the next and the next. The sweetness of his voice spread all around. Both the king and Tansen forgot where they were. The king realized that Tansen was right. He had certainly never heard any music like this before. I agree. Sant Haridas is the greatest musician. No other musician is so great as him. They walked back silently. Then the king broke the silence. Why can't you sing like him, Ustad ji?
Shahenshah, I sing at your command, the command of the King of Hindustan. Guruji sings for the one who is the King of Kings.
Let us start the first activity, which is given on page number 18. The first question is, who sang better than Tansen? So, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer is Sant Haridas sang better than Tansen. Here is question number 2. Where did Sant Haridas live? The correct answer is Sant Haridas lived in Vrindavan. You can also say Sant Haridas lived in Vrindavan in a hut on the bank of river Yamuna. Question number 3 is, why did Akbar decide to go to Sant Haridas' hut? The correct answer is, King Akbar decided to go to Sant Haridas' hut because he was very eager to meet him. Question number 4 is, what condition did Tansen put before the king? So the correct answer is, Tansen put the condition that you should not go there as the king. And the last question, that is, how did Tansen get Sant Haridas to sing? The correct answer is, Tansen got Sant Haridas to sing by making some mistakes again and again. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આ ટાસ્ક કરવામાં મજા પડી હશે. Students, now we are going to do another activity. Mark true or false for these sentences. Use capital T mark for true and capital F for false. The first sentence is, Tansen agreed that he was the best singer. Students, Tansen was not agreed that he was the best singer. So, this sentence is false, or we can say incorrect. So, we will put F after this sentence. Sentence number 2. Sant Haridas lived in a hut. Students, Sant Haridas lived in a hut. So, the sentence is correct. So, we will put T after the sentence. Students, let's start with sentence number 3. Sentence number 3 is, Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. Students, this sentence is not proper. Actually, Akbar went to Sant Haridas' hut. So, this sentence is incorrect. So, we will put F after the sentence. The next sentence is, Sant Haridas could not sing well. Students, Sant Haridas was a very good singer. So, the sentence is not proper. So, we put F after the sentence. Students, the next sentence is, Tansen made some mistakes deliberately. So, the given sentence is true. So, we will put T mark after the sentence. So, students, now let's check the last sentence. The last sentence is, the king agreed that Sant Haridas was a wonderful singer. So, the given sentence is correct. So we will put T after the sentence. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આ એક્ટિવિટી કરવામાં મજા પડી હશે. Now let's move further. We are going to solve one more task. First of all, I am going to read the instructions. You just listen it very carefully. Here are the instructions. What do these lines from the lesson mean? Tick mark the correct answer. Students, for each and every sentence, there are 3 options. You have to select the correct option out of these 3 sentences. So, are you ready for this? There is someone who sings better than I. For this sentence, there are 3 options. The first one is I sing better than someone. The second option is someone sings better than I do. And the third option is someone sings as well as I do. So out of these 3 options, option number 2 is the correct one. That is, someone sings better than I do. So B1 is the correct answer. Sentence number 2. Here is the sentence. I am afraid he will not come. Sahansha, for this sentence, the options are I am afraid that he will come. The second one is I am not afraid of him. And the last one is I am afraid that he will refuse to come. The correct answer is number 3rd. That is, I am afraid that he will refuse to come. The next one is, but Tansen knew how to get round him. For this sentence, there are 3 options. The first one is Tansen knew the way around. Second option is Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. And the third one is Tansen knew that he could go round him. Option B. Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. Let's check the next sentence. I sing at your command. For this sentence also, there are 3 options. Number 1 is I sing because you ask me to. Second one is your command is musical for me. And the third one is you sing at my command. So what will be the correct option? Yes, the correct option is number 1. That is, I sing because you ask me to. And the last sentence is Guruji sings for one who is the King of Kings. For this sentence also, there are 3 options. The options are Guruji sings for one great king. Option number 2 is Guruji sings for many kings. And the last option is Guruji sings for God. Option number 3 is the correct one. That is, Guruji sings for God. Students, we have discussed several questions related with the story. Goodbye.